Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to enable the Steam overlay, a feature that is absolutely essential for chatting with friends, taking screenshots, and accessing game guides while you are in the middle of a gaming session. If you have ever been frustrated because your overlay was missing, or simply want to learn how to keep your Steam experience as streamlined as possible, this video is for you. We are going to go over the complete setup process, and if this tutorial saves you some time, please do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get things moving. First off, make sure you have the Steam client open on your computer. Once the main window is up, navigate your mouse to the top left corner of the screen where it says Steam. Simply click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar inside the settings window and locate the in-game section. This is where all the magic happens regarding your gaming interface. Inside the in-game menu, you will see a toggle for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Make sure this switch is toggled to the on position. This is the master switch for the feature. Once that is enabled, don't forget to look for the OK or Save button at the bottom of the window to ensure your preferences are locked in. Now that the settings are configured, it is time to test it out. Launch any game from your library that supports the overlay. Once the game loads, hit the Shift plus Tab keys on your keyboard simultaneously. If everything is configured correctly, a semi-transparent interface should slide over your game screen, allowing you to access your friend list, invite players, or browse the store. If for any reason it does not pull up, just double-check that you did not accidentally disable the overlay for a specific game within that game's individual property settings. It really is that simple to stay connected while gaming. I hope this video made your setup process much easier. If you enjoyed the guide, please hit those like and subscribe buttons so you never miss a future update. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time in-game.